In this tutorial, I will show you how to add and configure a new report in the GridVis Web. Click on Reports to open the report management. Click on Add Report to open a new report in the report editor. Now you see the report editor. In the upper toolbar, you can find General Functions. On the right side, you can see if the report has been saved or if it is being saved. You can generate a preview of the report. It can be downloaded as a PDF, but it will not be saved in the database. With this function, you create a PDF of the report, which will be saved in the database. On the left side, you have functions to edit the report. Here you add new pages or layout pages to the report, open the object library, undo actions, or redo them. Furthermore, here you open the device exchange function, which allows you to replace all the devices used in the report with different ones. In the left sidebar, you can find the report navigator and the object list. In the report navigator, you organize the individual report pages. Using drag and drop, you change the order, while the master page is always at the top of the list. The object list contains all the objects of the page you are currently editing. You can also change their arrangement using drag and drop. However, the tile mode must be deactivated for this. In the right sidebar, you can find different settings depending on whether you have selected the report, a page, or an object. Click on the report in the report navigator to access the report settings. Here you make global settings for your report. Give the report a name. If you wish, you can enter a description. Next, set the time range for which the report is to be created. Here you have the option to use a preset time period or set a custom time period. For this tutorial, I am using the period last year. If your report is to be executed automatically, you set the corresponding schedule here. You can add the schedules offered here via the GridVis Web time management. This report is not to be executed automatically, so I do not select a schedule. If automatic execution of the report has been set up, the report can be sent by email after the automatic generation. For this purpose, an email server must be configured in the GridVis Web settings. In the next settings group, you set the page orientation and the paper size. You can also activate the tile mode and the grid. The tile mode causes objects to be placed on a page without overlapping. The grid is used as a positioning aid. It does not appear in the generated PDF documents. Finally, adjust the background or text color of the title and status bar of objects. This allows you, for example, to style the report according to your company CI. Here you can see a text field. Its title bar and frame have the default appearance of a blue background with white text color. In the report settings, use the respective color picker to change the background color and the text color. Switch back to the custom page. As you can see, these colors were automatically applied to the text field. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitza.de.